How to add a follow button on your Facebook page. So what you want to do is go to your Facebook page, make sure you're logged into your own account, go to the menu at the bottom right hand corner here, and go ahead and click your name to get to your profile. So what you want to do from here is look all the way to the right hand side to those three dots, go ahead and hit that. It'll bring you to some profile settings, and you just want to go and turn on professional mode. So what this is going to do is turn on your professional mode. This is going to tell you what's actually going to happen and how to grow your audience within Facebook. So go ahead and turn that on. And then once that happens, you're going to go through some settings here that you can go ahead and personalize if you want to. So we will go through that and confirm. And then you'll be here at your professional dashboard. So what you can do here, if you just want to check it, is to go back to your profile. Go ahead and hit those three dots once again, and go ahead and hit the area where it says View As, and this will give you a previewed look at your current Facebook page, and now you see the follow button. And it's that simple. That's how you add a follow button to your Facebook page.